We'll start. Starting with the 2021 A-level paper, question number 5. Consider the following macroeconomic data for an open economy. All figures are in rupees billion. GDP, consumption, taxes minus transfer, net taxes, investment, budget deficit. What is the value of net exports in this economy? So you all can find the guys. So they have given you Y. Y is equal to C plus I plus C plus net exports. Y they have given you as 500. Consumption they have given you as, consumption they have given as 350. Investment they have given as 150. Government spending we don't know, but now with practice we should be able to know. How are we going to find government spending, Lamai? Come on, it's very easy now. Tell me. They have given us net taxes. They have given us the budget deficit. How do you calculate government spending? Remember, government's budget balance. How do you calculate the government's budget? Whatever government earns as revenue, taxes, minus government spending. So how much of a deficit they have? They have a deficit of 120. So I'm saying budget balance minus 120. That is a deficit. Yeah. The question is not saying minus because question is saying deficit. No. So therefore, I'm saying budget balance is minus 120. Taxes they have given net taxes 20. So can you move around and tell me how much is my government spending? Government spending has to be how much now? G. Quickly, how much is G? 140. So that 140 you can take in and plug in over here. And then you have to find net export. So this is a disgrace for me to do it. Now can you move the numbers around and tell me how much is net export? You can do the maths now, move it here, there and all. How much is net export? Minus 140. Guys, be very careful, pluses and minuses. How much is it? Minus 140. So net exports is a minus 100. And so can you see 4 marks just as it is. Part 3. Suppose in a hypothetical closed economy, equilibrium level of national income is 800. Equilibrium level. Marginal propensity to consume is 0.8. Potential output is 1000. Very easy. Is this economy facing a recessionary or inflationary gap? What is the size of the gap? Think as potential output or full employment level of output is 1000. But you're at equilibrium only at 800. What is that? An inflationary or a recessionary output gap? You're at equilibrium below full employment. What's that called? Well, no, that is called a recessionary output gap. So is the economy facing a recessionary or inflationary gap? You can say the economy is facing a recessionary gap. If you want, you can give a small line saying because the equilibrium level of national income is lesser than the full employment level of national income. You don't even have to explain that. But not nice, no? When they give you 2 marks where you have tried just 2 words. So we'll say recessionary output gap because the full employment level is greater than equilibrium, or equilibrium is lesser than the full employment. Then they're asking you, what is the size of this gap? What is the size of the gap, guys? A 200 billion. No, you don't have to be minus also. You can say there's a recessionary output gap of 200 billion. Full employment is 1000. If you want, show the workings. How do you get? Full employment is 1000. Equilibrium is 800. That's how you get a 200 billion of a recessionary output. Yeah. See? Easy to 2021. Part B. If the government intends to remove this gap, what would be the required changes in direct tax? Very interesting. Currently, equilibrium level of national income is 800. They want to go from 800 to how much? The full employment level, they want to go to 1000. So remember, they are asking for 800 to go to 1000. By how much what should be the required change in taxes? Can you tell me, guys? Remember this? It's an interesting question. Not that hard also. Can you all calculate the KT for me, guys? Tax multiplier in this question for me. How much is the tax multiplier, guys? MPC, they have said 0.8. Now, MPC 0.8, automatically you should know tax multiplier minus 4, okay? We'll calculate below within. Minus 0.8 divided by 1 minus 0.8. So that is minus 0.8 divided by 0.2. You get minus 4 times. That is your tax multiplier. And you all remember this equation, the Anit equation, KT equals change in national income divided by the change in taxes. Remember that? So we need to find the change in tax. They're asking what is the required level of tax. So KT is minus 4 tax multiplier. We found in the previous step on the right. How much of a national income change do we want? If the government wants to close this gap, we need a change in national income of here. We need a change in national income of a plus 200. Right now we are 800. We need to go to 1000. So for this to happen, can you move around and calculate and tell me how much is the change in tax? Change in tax is a minus 50. So minus 50. What does that mean, guys? That means taxes have to decrease by 50. If taxes decrease by 50, then you can go from 800 to 1000. So be very specific, can say, right? Direct taxes has to, this is your working, okay? Direct taxes, and the final answer say direct taxes has to decrease by rupees 50 billion. No, they are not, have they said rupees here? Yeah, no, they have said rupees by rupees 50 billion. That's all. Is that fine, guys? Not at all hard. Manageable? Can do. 2021. 21 is also, done. Then we can go to 22.